Okay, so the first thing we did here was melt 250 grams of butter, 250 grams of white chocolate with 328 grams of buttermilk and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Okay, so we're just going to set this aside right now, and we're going to crack 4 eggs. Now, we're going to pull this right here. We're going to put the eggs in. Set that over there. All right, just want to get them a little frothy. Next, we are going to take our white chocolate buttermilk mixture and slowly incorporate it while whisking. You have to wait for the white chocolate mixture to cool, otherwise it can scramble the eggs. Now we're just going to whisk in our 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I want to incorporate plenty of air into the batter. Now we are going to gradually add 430 grams of granulated sugar, whisking at the same time. Now we're going to sift in, half at a time, our 320 grams of all-purpose flour. You want to make sure to sift it because you don't want any lumps in your batter. And with this last half, we also want to mix in our 1 tablespoon of baking powder and ½ teaspoon of salt. You see those little lumps? That's what we don't want getting in our batter without them being broke up. Really well incorporated, so there's no lumps. All right, so we're going to set this aside for just a moment. Bring our pan over here, which is silicone. If you're using any other kind of pan, I recommend spraying it and lining it with parchment paper. And I know most people say that, oh, it's silicone, it should already be, easy release. I've learned the fun way. Never trust a nonstick pan to truly be nonstick. Because if you get done and it sticks to the bottom and it breaks, you're gonna cry. Now we're gonna fill this just to a little under halfway, about right there. Get my spatula and just kind of clean that off. Okay. Now we're gonna pop this in the oven that has been preheated to 350 for 35 minutes. That time may vary depending on your oven. Bye.